Welcome back again, folks. This is part 2 of the Kickback Custom and Classic Motorcycle Show that was held at the Sammy Millers Motorcycle Museum.
Carbon wheels, look. You reckon that's good for a couple of hours riding at a time on tour?
I don't know what you put on your cameras though.
No way I'm paying that for a second-hand jacket. It's the best bike here, that right?
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
An old expansion. Like a super motor, isn't it? Oh. Comes with his own fire extinguisher.
Or milk jar. Just saying steep. I've seen that. I saw the engine. I reckon it's a channel. It's YouTube.
Is that a top load of washing machines you've got there?
Twin tool.
2.8 single cylinder sleeve valve.
Just saying, it's almost not quite right. Almost.
Mm.
And I reckon it's about why is your GS with the panels out.
Jesus.
I see to do with that, wouldn't you? Oh.
What is it?
Regal engine on it.
What is it? Built by him and his wife.
Oh.
He says first, built by his wife and he. What bike was it? Is it where are they?
Oh, there is, yes.
So I've decided single hydraulic system brake line, then brake canvas in the front, Commander, straight. That's nice.
Look at the length of change on there. You've got 2 on that.
General maintenance, things like that. You always want a man that's handy. But the other comes into play as well.
God, that's lovely.
What a bird.
Yeah. Ice cream time in a minute, I reckon.
Little video, yeah. Little couples.
Well, I think are we gonna entertain ice cream?
I think so. Is it non-fat ice cream?
I hope not. only got the room for the one bike.
It's like YouTubing.
YouTubing, you're watching the clown show.
How to lose subs in 30
The
seconds.
Three Stooges.
We'll get you. We'll get you. Getting us.
Yeah.
Sammy Millers.
It is. Look at it. It's a busy day.
He was actually using the book where my bike was on a Zodiac or something. And obviously he took everything apart, he took the book and he called, you need to walk. And that's the difficult as well. But it's not in your bike, you just do the book fucking, and and I don't see the point, Like yours, what are you going to take?
You can't go to a fast speed for that.
You're going to broken, whatever you're going to make. Find that on yourself. Oh, he can use the best board, most expensive. And the guys, that was 2 days. I was thinking for the race.
Those nerves that do all that, not that one. The little finger and half of that comes to one side.
Got the guard dog on duty. Got waiting to pounce. Says go near my bike and I'll have you.
You made it weird for the bikes.
We're looking at the guard dog. He's waiting to pounce. Look. False sense of security with the tail going.
Yeah, just watch out. He is a descendant of a wolf. Exactly.
Are you?
His name's Gary.
I can't bend down because I've got a big belly in the way. It's a camera, mate. It's a camera. It's a camera.
Good boy. Just that key word that I forgot.
Kill.
No, it wasn't that. It was something else. It was a safe word. Go on in now. What a waste. What was that word? What Norton, mate? Was it? Norton. Plate behind. Yeah.
Oh, I've been making all of his t-shirts.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at that. Look at them seats. Oh, the old 666.
Can I get me one of them?
Lovely, eh? Smell that. That's what you drop your get.
Yeah, I had Castrol for breakfast.
Imagine pulling away from the lights on that. Tom, we want you to fire it up. We want to hear it in the flesh. Is it going to start?
There's enough room for a bump start.
I've seen this on YouTube, it not starting. We want to hear them Ackies sing.
Turn your volume up now, folks.
Holy shit. Beautiful. Doesn't it? Sounds just like my GS. Bloody lovely. Yes, we better go. Steve's getting itchy feet. Nice to meet you, bud.
Yeah, take care, guys.
Yeah.
That, ladies and gents, is Tom's TC. Link down in the description. Go click a like and subscribe.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Him there, his subscribers pick on you.
They do. They do. And if you're watching Todd's 29, don't forget to leave a dislike for it.
yeah. I always get two every
It's all
time.
reactions.
Here he is.
I was having another look around the car park.
Oh. I said to the camera, I said, we got to watch Steve. He's like somebody with dementia. He wanders off. Look at that, look. That's a beast, isn't it? And there it is. The
I could do with a
pan.
nice sit down.
The pan, yeah.
Said I could do with a nice sit down.
It is rather nice though.
It is.
I do like that. Steve's wearing a goalie. He got all his cameras on ready and everything.
He's ready.